YouTubers, and welcome to Paper Crafts by Cindy Ellen. I am going to show you the results. So, do you remember when I showed you the Scrapping for Less happy birthday kit with this little stamp set and all those wonderful papers and the glitter paper and stuff? Well, here it is. See, we had happy birthday, you party animal, these cute little foxes. That's what I ended up using. I didn't end up using any of the little stamps, but that's okay. I may use them on envelopes. What I got was 12 cards, okay? I want to show you what I did with them. So this paper, and I think this paper, I ended up swapping out some holographic foil cardstock for what was in the pack. I used some colored cardstock of my own. You recognize the little foxes. And I have more of these. I swapped out the sequins that were in the kit for some glimmer dots that I had. I believe they are Echo Park. They might be your next stamp. I don't know. My sister gave me a huge number of them. This die, I don't remember where the die came from. I'll be really honest. It's not MFT. MFT was too small. Now I can't remember, but basically, this is a sheet load of cards design from Alicia, Call Me Crafty Al, over at Sheet Load of Cards. Call Me Crafty Al is her YouTube channel, and I cut up the cards. Okay, I had the same kit. This was not, no, this was, no, it wasn't. This was my paper, the paper that came in the card kit. My paper, their paper, my paper, their paper, I can't remember. Anyway, I mixed and matched. So I expanded a little bit, but I used up all 6 sheets of paper. I didn't use up the glitter paper, and I got 12 cards. There's only 11 here because I've already mailed one out. These are great cards for men, for kids. On the inside, it says, "You party animal." One of the things you can do before you mail them out is you could use these little stickers. You could use these little stamps and decorate the inside of the card a little bit more. You could decorate the envelope with these. I have a tendency to decorate my envelopes with washi tape, but I am truly grateful. One of the things that I found was that cutting these out, I fussy cut them all out. Fussy cutting every single one of these out was so incredibly easy because the AveryElle stamps are very thick, and I like that a lot. Little stickles on the top to coordinate or not coordinate with the rest of the card. I thought this was great. Now my stash of birthday cards is all filled up. And one of the things, and all of this was $8.50. Plus, it helped me almost kill a birthday pack, a 6x6 paper pad of birthday packs. And look at that, all kinds of cards. Now, what am I going to do for you next week? So I don't even know when this one was, but this is another one of my $8.50 card kits, okay? They all came in this envelope. They came in an envelope in the mail. So what did I get? So I got a little Altenew coffee craft repeat with a little coffee die, okay? I got another die. So, I mean, most of us pay like $4.99 for that die. Paper Smooch's Wise die or something. It's called Cozy Coffee. It's got a little coffee bean, little heart, little coffee cup. I have a bigger one from Cat Scrappiness that I'm probably going to break out when I'm making these cards. I might make some shaker cards. You never know. You can always get a pack of sequins. There's the sequins. This one, I got 2 little clips. I am not a planner person, so I have no idea what I'm going to do with these clips. I may include them in a card. I may wear them in my hair. You never know. You know, we got some ephemera. But this is the idea. You always get this sort of like, you know, a combination of things that you can play with, you know? So maybe I don't know what I'm going to do with these. Maybe I'll use these to make a gift card holder, make a coffee card with a gift coffee card in it, like to Starbucks or Wawa or somewhere like that. Wawa is a local convenience store we have that makes excellent coffee. Anyway, maybe I'll put one of these, use this to hold the coffee card inside the card, and then they get another little present too. So we have some ephemera. We use those to decorate, and we get even more ephemera, more dots. I have more of these somewhere. So, I mean, lots of those. Herself is, Pascal is up on her cage because she wanted to come over while I was filming so that she could help. Okay, so next week I will show you, I am way backlogged because we were moving and I wasn't feeling well and all that other good stuff. So I have lots of these. And this, like, obviously I got like a whole stack of paper because it's all put together. So this is, there's one piece of paper. They're obviously all sort of the same. These are sugar and spice and everything nice. There we go. Hugs and kisses. Be mine. This must have been the February kit. Maybe it was the February kit. Maybe it was March. I don't know. There's more pink paper. Not to worry. Love you a latte. That's pink too. Coffee bean paper. Always nice. Ooh, little lattes. There you go. And this one, sweet as sugar, you're my cup of tea, hugs and kisses, love you a latte. And this one is just cups. So there you go. Blues and pinks, so happy together. Maybe I'll cut those out. I don't do a lot of cards with just ephemera. So that's interesting. That is a very interesting thing. And yeah. But this will be, today's Scrapping for Less showed you the, well, last week's Scrapping for Less video showed you the mystery kit, showed you the happy birthday kit, and today I showed you what I did with those. This is the coffee kit. Maybe I will do a process video. If you'd like to see the process video and see how I decide what to do with these, tell me in the comment section and I will see what I can do. Okay, so there you have it. Other than that, I'm just gonna sit and watch funky crime shows and make the cards. Not to worry, I got lots of coffee stamps. I love coffee, it's my very favorite. All right, other than that, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get notified so you can see these become cards too. Thank you very much for watching my channel. I appreciate it, as do the rest of the people who aren't normal. I'll talk to you later. Bye.